Are you feeling lost in the sea of daily tasks? Is your goal-setting process turning into a murky puddle? You're not alone. Many startups struggle with effectively implementing objectives and key results, or OKRs. But what if I told you that OKRs can be the lifeline your startup needs to drive growth? With the right approach, OKRs can inspire your team and lead to significant achievements. Imagine this. Your team collaborates seamlessly towards clear, challenging objectives. You can transform goals into measurable key results that reveal real progress. Firstly, using OKRs inspires your team to think bigger and achieve more. Secondly, they help maintain alignment across different departments, making everyone work towards common goals. Lastly, effective OKR planning enhances focus, allowing for optimal resource utilization. So, why do OKRs stand out from the competition? They are not just another task list. They elevate performance by aiming high while keeping everyone aligned. Ready to start your OKR journey? Check out Target Align's upcoming OKR courses and OKR software at www.targetalign.com. Please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.